Hi, writers, and welcome back. We are going to be adding to our fictional narrative today, so make sure you get out your pencil and the paper that either you were working on yesterday, or if you need a new one, get out a new piece of paper. Let's take a look at what we'll be doing today. So, we're going to start out by reviewing our brainstorming sheet, and we're going to get creative, so we'll need that imagination. Remember, there's no such thing as a wrong idea. You're the author of this story. So if you want to change the direction of this story that I'm writing with you, go right ahead. That's completely fine. You're the author of this story. We are going to be thinking about the W questions. We answered who and we answered where yesterday. So the ones we have left to answer are what, when, and why. Today, we are going to add to our story and add in the what. This might also be the introduction of the problem to the story. Let's take a look at the planner. So we had Clark the rainbow fish swimming in the warm ocean water, and someone's going to remind him that he's going to be starting school. Oh, brother, and how is he feeling? Oh, remember, he's feeling nervous. But in the end, he's happy he went to school and he makes lots of fish friends. So maybe I'm going to add in a new character here. I'm changing my plan just a little bit. So we have Clark the fish. But you know what? I think I need another character. I think I need to add mom, because who usually does a lot of reminding? I know my mom does. So I'm going to search for, there we go. I'm going to do another fish, and we're going to make her mom. Oh boy. And she is very big. This is mom. This is going to be mom. What should we call her? Well, I guess we'll just call her mom. I'm going to copy this and move it over here. This is Clark's mom. All right. So now we're going to add in mom. Mom's going to say, "Oh, Clark, remember, you're starting school tomorrow." And that's when he's going to get nervous. All right, I'm excited. Let's go add these to our writing. So we started out by saying, one day, Clark the rainbow fish was swimming through the warm ocean water. We're going to have mom say something. Clark, don't forget. Don't forget, you start school tomorrow. Should we, oh, you know what? I was thinking, should we call it just plain school or should we call it fish school? I'll let you choose on that one. Maybe when we're editing later, we might go back and add that. You start school tomorrow. And then I'm going to say, said mom. All right, now let's take a look. We'll reread what we wrote back. One day, Clark the rainbow fish was swimming through the warm ocean water. Clark, don't forget, you start school tomorrow, said Mom. Well, you know what I noticed? We answered a where question. Or not a where, a what, a when question, and we also answered the what question. The what is he's starting school tomorrow, and the when, it's tomorrow. Let's go in and see if we can do any edits. So because I have a character talking, I need to put quotation marks around them, and they look like these commas in the sky. and they curve towards the words that are in between them. So that's why I have, do you see them right before Clark? Clark, and it's right there. Those are quotation marks. You don't need to necessarily use those right now, but good writers, sometimes they add dialogue, characters talking to each other. Clark, don't forget, you start school tomorrow, said Mom. And I capitalized Mom because he's going to call her Mom, and Mom is a special name. I think I want to add fish school. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little carrot, and I'll show you this in a second. It looks like the top part of an arrow, and I'm going to put small fish, and I'll show you why we do this. So in my writing, I did not leave space to add fish before school. Do you see it? So what I do is I draw this little arrow, and on the top where there is a little bit of space, I write fish. And then I know when I'm reading it back, I think I'll do it in a second. One day, Clark, the rainbow fish, was swimming through the warm ocean water. Clark, don't forget, you start fish school tomorrow, said Mom. That way it tells me, oh, look, there's a missing word there. Look up here and continue reading. Whoops, and you didn't see any of that. It says, look up here, continue reading. So those are just some quick edits I made, but I think we're shaping up really nicely. I can't wait to add to our writing again tomorrow, where we're going to introduce the problem and then figure out how Clark the fish changes his feelings from nervous to happy. All right, off you go, writers.